You did everything right. School, career, six-figure income. So why does your money vanish every month? You're not alone. Nearly half of Americans earning over $100K still live paycheck to paycheck. It's not about laziness or bad math. It's about hidden money traps designed to keep you stuck. These traps make a $100K salary feel like $30K, no matter how hard you work. But once you spot them, you can break free. In this video, we'll reveal the 5 biggest traps keeping high earners broke, and how to escape them. Subscribe for weekly financial wake-up calls. Trap 1. Confusing the of success with real wealth. Society tells us success means luxury cars, big houses, designer everything. So when your income rises, you upgrade your lifestyle. That's lifestyle inflation, and it kills wealth. You end up spending to impress others, buying liabilities instead of assets. The more you earn, the more you spend, and the cycle never ends. Break it by redefining success for yourself. Is it freedom, or just more stuff? Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and investments. Automate that 20%. Pay yourself first, every paycheck. Before any big purchase, ask, is this upgrading my future or just my image? That one question can save you thousands. Real wealth is quiet. Don't let image steal your future. Set your own definition of success and stick to it. That's how you win. Trap 2. Flying blind with your spending. You know your salary and bills, but where does the rest go? Small daily expenses add up fast. That $5 coffee? Over $1,800 a year. Subscriptions you forgot? Hundreds more. If you don't track it, you can't control it. Here's your fix. For 1 week, track every dollar you spend, no exceptions. Use an app, a notebook, whatever works. Don't judge, just record. At week's end, categorize needs, wants, savings. You'll be shocked at the leaks. Schedule a weekly 15-minute money check-in. Awareness is power. Once you see the numbers, you can plug the leaks. Don't let invisible spending sabotage your wealth. Take control. Track, review, adjust. That's how you break the cycle. Break. Trap 3. Spending for comfort instead of growth. As income rises, it's tempting to buy convenience meal delivery, premium streaming, valet parking. Each feels harmless, but together, they drain your future. Every dollar spent on comfort is a dollar not working for you. The goal isn't misery, it's intention. Choose growth over easy comfort. This month, cut one comfort expense. Redirect that money to your future. Open a Roth IRA, build your emergency fund, or invest in a new skill. Turn comfort spending into a growth engine. Small changes compound over time. Don't let comfort today steal your freedom tomorrow. Invest in your future self. Growth beats comfort every time. Make your money work for you. Trap 4. Ignoring financial literacy. High income means nothing if you don't know how to use it. Most people know their job, but not the basics of investing, taxes, or compound interest. This ignorance is expensive. Missed opportunities, higher fees, bad advice. Take charge. Spend 20 minutes a day learning about money. Read a foundational finance book. Try The Simple Path to Wealth or I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Subscribe to credible YouTube channels and podcasts. Attend free webinars from trusted sources. Make financial education a habit. The payoff is bigger than any raise. Don't let lack of knowledge hold you back. Invest in your financial IQ. Trap 5. Short-term thinking. We crave instant gratification, but wealth is built over decades, not days. Focusing only on the next purchase or paycheck sabotages your future. Compound growth is your superpower if you start early and stay consistent. Automate your investments. 401k up to the match, Roth IRA, and a low-cost index fund. Even small, regular contributions add up. Make long-term investing your default. Don't trade tomorrow's freedom for today's comfort. Time is your greatest asset. Use it. Set your plan on autopilot. Your future self will thank you. Think 30 years ahead, not just 30 days. That's how real wealth is built. Those are the 5 traps keeping high earners broke. It's not your income, it's your habits. Small, intentional choices make the difference. Pick one trap to tackle this week. Master it, then move to the next. Progress, not perfection, builds wealth. Which trap hit you hardest? Comment below and subscribe for more. Next week, the 7 habits of financially free people. Remember, income doesn't equal wealth. Habits do.